know less about it. There are two types of muscles, intrinsic and extrinsic. In intrinsic are of two subdivisions, erector spinae group, transverse spinal group. Let's get into the erector spinal group. As we have discussed earlier, it is one of the intrinsic muscle of the back. They are rarely called as sacrospinalis or extensor spinae. The erector spinae muscles are a set of three overlapping group of deep muscles. Together, these muscle group in spine form the largest area on the posterior region of the humans. Hence, it consists of three subdivisions, iliocostalis, longissimus and spinalis. These three consist are mnemonics, which is called I, love, spine, where I indicates the iliocostalis, love indicates longissimus and spine indicates the spinalis. Iliocostalis, it is the most lateral group of erector spinae. Longissimus. Longissimus is the next column from right to left of spinalis. Spinalis is the most medial group. Erector spinae muscle are the closest to the midline of the body. Together, these muscles form the large area of the posterior region of the humans. Iliocostalis. Next, let's move on to the iliocostalis. Iliocostalis is the muscle immediately lateral to the longissimus. As the name denotes, it originates from the ilium and it inserts into the costals, that is the ribs. The iliocostalis is supplied by the posterior branch of spinal nerves. The iliocostalis is subdivided into three groups of muscles. First is the iliocostalis lumborum. Second one is the iliocostalis thoracis. It is also called as iliocostalis dorsi. Finally, iliocostalis cervicis. They are named based on their locations. Iliocostalis lumborum. It is located lateralmost among the erector spinae. Iliocostalis thoracic. It is arised by the flattened tendon. Iliocostalis cervicis. They are arised from the angles of 3 to 6 ribs inserted into the transverse process of 4 to 6 cervical vertebra. Next, let's move on to the longissimus. Longissimus is the muscle lateral to the spinalis. It is the longest subdivision of the erector spinae. It extends from the transverse process and inserted into the transverse process. The nerve supply of the longissimus is the posterior branch of spinal nerve. It is also subdivided into three groups of muscles: longissimus thoracic, longissimus cervicis, and longissimus capitis. Longissimus thoracic. It is inserted by the rounded tendons into the tip of transverse process of thoracic vertebra. Longissimus cervicis. It is inserted into the cervical transverse process. Longissimus capitis. It is inserted into the posterior margin of the mastoid process. Next is the spinalis. Spinalis muscle is the most medial muscle among the erector spinae. It is a bundle of muscle which is nearest to the spine. It extends from the spinous process and it is inserted into the spinous process. It is subdivided into two muscles: spinalis thoracic and spinalis cervicis. Spinalis thoracic. It lies in the thoracic region. Spinalis cervicis, which lies in the cervical region. Functions of the erector spinae. They have multiple functions. These muscles function to keep the natural curvature of the spine. It maintains the erect posture. Spinal column is not a straight line. The spinal column has several different curves, and these extensor spinae muscle help to maintain these curves. Action of the erector spinae is when we bend backwards, when all these muscle contracts, hence extension. When only one muscle contract, we do side flexion, and it aids in the rotation of the trunk. It is the culprit involved in the low back pain. These muscles are the antagonist of the rectus abdominis. There is presence of large number of type 1 muscle fibers in erector spinae muscle group, which makes it too resistant to the fatigue. Hence, this is the basic knowledge about the erector spinae. We will see about attachments, palpation, stretching and strengthening of erector spinae in our next video. Start where you are. Use what you have and do what you can. The more you learn, the more you earn. Still, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe. Keep watching. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. Thank you.